Today's the day I'm going to be swapping the number plates between my two cars. I've had the Toyota RAV4 for almost 10 years now, and it has my custom number plate. That car has been a beast. It is a really old 1997 Toyota RAV4, so it's been very reliable. And now that I have the Tesla Model Y Performance, I want the custom number plate to be on the Tesla. So what I'm going to do is the number plate that I got with the Tesla, which is given by the government when you registered the new car, I'm going to be using that on the RAV4 and going to be using the custom number plate on my Tesla. So I'll take you there and then do the change right now. Before I actually do the change, I need to take the number plate out, and first I need to go to the place I parked my RAV4 so that I can get the custom number plate out and put it on my Tesla. So let's first retrieve the number plate and then be back and put it on the Tesla. The number plate has been taken off. Let me just show you the back as well. As you can see, no number plate there as well. So yeah, let's go and take the number plate off the Toyota RAV4 as well. So I've just changed the number plate on this Toyota RAV4. This completed. It was a little bit of hard work, but yeah, I changed it. So both on the front and also on the back. Right there, it's changed now. So I'm gonna head off home and then gonna put the custom number plates on the Tesla now. So the custom number plate has been added to the car, as you can see right there. Let's go to the back and have a look. There you go, all done. So the job's done. Now that the custom number plate has been added, I guess that's it for this video. It is a very short one. Just wanted to record and show changing the number plates. It was a very hectic day. I had to get all the paperwork done in the Service NSW, which did not take that long, but because it was work and then Service NSW, then go to a different location to get the number plates out the Toyota RAV4 and then put it on the Tesla and then put the number plate from Tesla to the RAV4. Yeah, it was very hectic, but that's done now. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.